Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Instagram account history. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You may not realize that Instagram saves a lot of your account history and makes it easily viewable to you. You can see edits to your name, bio, and in bio links from months and years passed directly from your profile. It is an interesting feature, especially if you have had your account for a very long time. So how to do access your account history on Instagram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. You can tap on here, your activity. Tap on activity, your activity. You can scroll down. On how you use Instagram section, there is an option account history. You can just tap on that. So here's your account history. You can review changes that you've made to your account since you created it. Like as you can see, you made this account. Can tap. Sorry, let's check again. You can check your website that you visit when you change your bio, change your password, your email address, all your account history you can see on here. You can also filter both from the newest to oldest or the oldest from the newest. You can filter by date, you can update the type here to check your account history. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check your account history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!